Hello, back at it again with another trading day, and we are going to start off with NASDAQ. Went in on a position on NASDAQ. Now, this was another experimental play, and so it didn't really work out. And I think it didn't work out partially because I got in at the wrong entry point. I should have gotten in closer to the yellow line, and I didn't. I think I got in too hastily here, but this is outside of my normal entry point and my strategy. So I went in and I tried to go in for a short, but as you can see, I did small sizing because, again, even though I'm making up some of these tweaks, I have the presence of mind to make sure that I size low so that I'm not risking too much. And so I went in and didn't work out, so watch. So now, this was the second trade for the day. Got my nice setup, went in for it. This is my regular setup. It seems now that it is going on a full reversal. And so I went in, and the interesting thing about this particular trade is that I went in and I was actually in the profits for quite some time. But I was going for a lot more than just 10 points, and that didn't happen, and it completely reversed and hit my stop loss. And so I have to make adjustments here. I didn't have to lose in this trade, but I did. Kind of annoying, kind of frustrating, but you know, this is how you learn. And yeah, hope you can watch and enjoy. So now, this is a very, very rare setup of my game plan that often leads to great gains and great runs, which it eventually did. And it did it within half an hour, I believe. But even the best of moves don't always work. And of all the times that I've seen this, this is literally in like 2-3 months the first time that I've seen it not actually do what it's supposed to do. And so this is a very high percentage move, and it did not work out initially, but then like I said, within half an hour it worked out. It never broke the buy zone at the bottom there. It never broke that, but it did hit my stop loss, unfortunately. I wish I set my stop loss a little lower because this is an incredibly bullish entry point. This is an incredibly bullish signal. But again, it didn't work out quickly, and so it hit my stop loss, and then it finally ran. And so I might need to make some tweaks here as well. But yeah, watch and let's take a look. So today actually ended up to being a lost day. But unlike other lost days, this was actually a great lost day in the sense that 2 of the 3 trades were my actual entry points, and they were high percentage moves that just didn't work out today. So again, just reminding you again that the markets are never 100%. Any strategy that you pick will never be 100%. And so the key is not to find a 100% move, but the key actually to becoming a sustainable trader and a profitable trader is sticking to your strategy even on the days it doesn't work, and not allowing that to deter you from moving forward with the strategy, not allowing your next trade to be affected psychologically, not allowing yourself to be to get to a place where you're now hesitant to make the same move that you've made before. And that's what it comes down to, bottom line. I trust these entry points, at least the 2 of them. They are usually great. They weren't great today. That's okay. I call it a great loss, as some of the top traders often say. It was a great loss. And so moving forward, I keep it moving, and good things will show up. Hope you love this. Like and subscribe and share, and I'll see you again for the next trade. Take care.